Hi, welcome to radiantmindsacademy. My name is Goodluck. In this video, we will be solving exponential equation that leads to simultaneous linear equation. Now we are given that we should solve for x and y in the equation given to us. Now it's very simple. Since it is an exponential equation, we have to try to make our index or our basis to be equal. Then with that we will equate and then find the value or find the variable we are looking for. Let's dive into it. So from here, the first thing we do is that from our right hand side we will express 9 and 8 as the power of their base. So this can be written as 3 raised to the power of y plus x equal to 3 raised to the power of 2 x plus y, and 2 raised to the power of x minus y equal to 2 raised to the power of 3 x minus 3, all enclosed in a bracket. From our right hand side, we have to simplify the index. On doing that, we are going to multiply and open up the bracket. So we have that this should be written as 3 raised to the power of y plus x equal to 3 raised to the power of 2x plus 2y. Again, we have 2 raised to the power of x minus y equal to 2 raised to the power of 3x minus 9. Now, since their bases are equal, we have to equate their powers. We write that y plus x is equal to 2x plus 2y. I will call this equation 1. And we have x minus y is equal to 3x minus 9. We call this equation 2. What we do next is that we have to collect like terms for us to be able to form a simultaneous equation. So we have collect like terms. We have that this will be giving us 2x minus x plus 2y minus y equal to 0. And we have 3x minus x plus y equal to 9. If we simplify this, we have that this will be x plus y equal to 0, and this will be 2x plus y equal to 9. Call this one equation 3 and call this one equation 4. Now we have equation 3 and equation 4. Basically, there are 3 methods of solving this. One is the elimination method, another is the substitution method, and the third is the graphical method. But for this class and for this video, I'll be using the elimination method. So therefore, I'm going to subtract equation 3 from equation 4 to eliminate y. Upon subtracting equation 3 from equation 4, we are able to come up with an answer that gives us x equal to 9. So we have found the value of x. Now let's find the value of y. To get the value of y, we substitute our value of x into any of the equation, either equation 1 or equation 2 or equation 3 or equation 4. For this point, we will substitute into equation 3. So we have that x plus y is equal to 0. Our s is equal to 9 plus y equal to 0. So y is equal to negative 9. That is the answer. So the question was given to us, and we were able to work from indicial equations, and we came to simultaneous linear equation, and the values of x and y are 9 and -9. Congratulations. If you know you found this video helpful, please do not forget to subscribe and like the video, and don't forget to share the video. Thank you.